来看回答执行长黄立芬昨转来台湾，洪社讲回答除了伫台北树林科学园区去台湾总部，有可能会搁伫台北市来增设第二总部，地点可能会设伫洲美国小的议定地。黄立芬今仔是表示讲是真有可能。台北市长蒋万安是讲目前是无相关的信息，也毋过市政府同款会来协助。黄立芬昨嘛甲台积电的创办人张忠谋做伙食暗顿，张忠谋是坐轮椅出席。黄立芬是表示讲，张忠谋的精神是真好，大概甲伊开讲拢学到真侪。
伫台北市的餐厅出现，回答执行长黄仁勋29甲台积电创办人张忠谋食暗顿，外界关心张忠謀身体的状况。黄仁勋讲，伊精神状况拢真好，面路真清，两个人讲啊真欢喜。
He's doing fantastic. Yeah, he's in a wheelchair and he's getting stronger, but his spirit is high and as you know, his mind is so sharp. Yeah, but he's doing great. We had a nice whiskey together, and so. Very nice evening.
张忠谋坐轮椅入来餐厅，虽然行动小可不方便，不过精神看来袂歹。黄仁勋伫29尾仔嘛到张忠谋主题拜会，伊行到位所在，拢有民众要甲讨签名。黄仁勋嘛讲 AI 晶片需求真大，会尽量莫互显卡中断，也预测 AI 会有重大突破。
The big breakthrough right now is tool use, which means that the AI can actually use a tool. The other breakthrough is physical AI, which is AI used for robotics. And so a lot of big breakthroughs coming in the coming year.
外团回答因为增设台湾第二总部，地点有可能是洲美国小议定地。黄仁勋讲有可能才有机会，嘛讲回答应该尽量加起几个总部。台湾有真侪优秀的人才，回答伫台湾会有真侪员工供应链合作的优盘也甲客户。
Might be or there could be
a second one. Well, sounds good. I like it. We should have as many as possible.
目前没有相关讯息，但如果辉达提出需求，我们一样会给予协助。
若是什么时阵甲黄仁勋会面，蒋万安表示，市政府会持续甲辉达保持联络，也理解黄仁勋的行程真满，一切拢配合伊的安排。记者综合报道。